My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Islamic teachings emphasize not only outward acts of worship but also the correction of inner qualities and morals, which are equally obligatory. In today's video, we will discuss the inner morals, akhlaqi batna, their importance, and methods for their improvement. Inner morals are obligatory. Allah Almighty has prescribed commandments not just for outward worship but also for the reformation of the soul and inner self. Just as prayer, salah, is obligatory, so are inner acts like patience, sabr, gratitude, shukr, and sincerity, ikhlas. These acts purify our soul and align our lives with the commands of Allah. Inner illnesses are also forbidden. Inner illnesses like arrogance, jealousy, and malice do not just harm our spirituality but are as forbidden in the sight of Allah as consuming alcohol or engaging in usury. These illnesses corrupt our hearts and distance us from Allah's mercy. Thus, just as we avoid outward sins, we must also protect ourselves from inner sins to achieve complete spiritual purification. The reality of anger. Anger is a natural emotion, but it must be used in moderation. If anger is too little, a person may fail to defend their life, honor, and faith. If it exceeds limits, it becomes the root cause of countless sins. The Prophet Muhammad said that the best person is the one who controls their anger and uses it only when necessary. The incident of Hazrat Ali. The story of Hazrat Ali, R.A., offers an excellent lesson in the moderation of anger. When a Jew insulted the Prophet Muhammad, Hazrat Ali, R.A., punished him. However, when the Jew spat on Hazrat Ali's face, he immediately restrained himself. This was because the insult had shifted from a matter of religion to a personal matter. Hazrat Ali, R.A., said, "I acted out of anger for the Prophet, but when it became personal, I refrained." The Prophet never took revenge for personal reasons, and I followed his example. This demonstrates the proper use of anger, to act when it is justifiable and to restrain when it is not. The need for balance and self-reformation. Every trait is good when it remains within limits. Anger, love, jealousy, or any emotion, when kept in moderation, is beneficial. Self-reformation means maintaining balance in these qualities, neither too little nor too much. The Prophet Muhammad said, "There is a piece of flesh in the body, if it is sound, the entire body becomes sound. If it is corrupt, the entire body becomes corrupt. Verily, it is the heart." How to purify the heart. Purifying the heart requires engaging in the remembrance of Allah, dhikr, seeking His forgiveness, and correcting one's intentions. When the heart aligns with Allah's commands, all other actions naturally fall into place. A positive message. Islam does not teach reliance solely on outward acts of worship but emphasizes the correction of our inner state as well. Let us purify our hearts and rid ourselves of spiritual diseases so that both our worldly lives and the hereafter may prosper. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.